Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best folding picnic tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Aniva, a picnic time brand portable folding table. Perfect for camping, the backyard or park, or even the game room, this picnic time portable folding table features a compact fold-out table with bench seats for 4 that you can take anywhere. When not in use, it collapses into an easy-to-transport suitcase size. This table and chairs unit has a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds per seat, and has an aluminum frame with PP seats, and a laminate tabletop. Look for the Picnic Time multi-striped umbrella, sold separately, that will fit perfectly into the integrated hole in the center. At number 4, Trademark Innovations TBLE. Bring along this easy-to-set-up aluminum frame picnic table and bench set to your next picnic or tailgate party. The table measures 35.4, L by 24.4, W by 27.5, H and can hold up to 66 pounds. Each bench measures 34, LX9, WX15, H and each has a weight capacity of 350 pounds. The table folds flat and each bench can fold and snap into place within the table frame for easy portability. The set weighs 17 pounds, so it can be easily transported from event to event. This tabletop should not stay wet. Wipe away any liquid promptly. Made with superior quality by Trademark Innovations. At number 3, Lifetime 80373 Portable Folding Picnic Table. The Lifetime Folding Picnic Table is a great addition to your outdoor activities. It is crafted from high-quality metal to ensure overall durability. The surface can resist stains, making it easier to clean and maintain. Also, the table is powder-coated to protect against corrosion and rust. Thanks to a portable design, it is simple to transport this table and enjoy it. The package includes everything that you need to know for assembling. When not in use, you can store it in the bag to save your space. Its non-slip feet will ensure stability and prevent scratches to your floor. At number 2, GCI Outdoor Waterside Pod Rocker Collapsible Rocking Chair. The GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker Chair is all you need to relax indoors and outdoors. The wide sling-style seat and spring-action rocking technology offers maximum comfort, while the mesh side panels offer ventilation to stay cool. Located on the side of the chair is a beverage holder and a media pocket for your phone. Easily fold up the pod rocker and store it away in the carry bag. This allows for a deep rock. Love the comfort. Ordered 2 because of how great it is. There is a net attached for a water bottle, but would love more of a drink holder. Maybe not practical due to the rocking motion. At number 1, Coleman Camping Chair. Have a cold drink at hand at the campsite, barbecue or picnic with a Coleman Cooler Quad Chair. The cooler built into the armrest holds up to 4 cans and provides easy access to a cold drink once the one in your mesh cup holder is empty. While you sip on your favorite beverage, the fully cushioned seat and back only adds to your relaxation. If you want your hands free, the side pockets work nicely to store your book, magazine or some snacks. When the fun is done, the chair easily folds up into a carry bag for easy transport and storage. Roomy 24 inches seat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.